To unlock your Cricket wireless device, you must meet specific eligibility criteria. For prepaid devices, your device needs to have been active on Cricket for at least 6 months. It must be fully paid off and not associated with any unpaid balances or fraudulent activity. For postpaid devices, you'll need to have had the device active for at least 2 years, or it must be fully paid off if under contract, with no outstanding bills. You must be the original account holder or an authorized user, and you might need to provide proof of purchase or account details. The process always starts with verifying your device's IMEI, a unique 15-digit number. Remember that devices reported as lost or stolen are ineligible. To start the unlock process, visit Cricket's website or use their app to submit your request. Their online unlocking portal, launched in early 2025, enables faster processing without calling support. Alternatively, you can contact Cricket's customer service at 1-800-274-2538 for assistance. Once your request is approved, Cricket will provide an unlock code or instructions. You may need to enter this code via your device's dialer, such as dialing number 466 on some Android phones. Important notes. Unlocking doesn't void your device's warranty, but it might affect Cricket-specific features. Processing typically takes 1 to 2 business days for eligible devices. Since 2024, Cricket supports eSIM activation, which can reduce the need for physical SIM unlocks. If traveling internationally, make sure your device supports the target network's frequency bands. Note that devices purchased through Cricket's installment plans can only be unlocked once fully paid off.